and they're off. Antipathy breaks in stride. Antipathy to the rail and to the lead just ahead of Swingers Party. Toward the outside, it's Unlimited Budget, and farthest off the rail, Hot Stones gets caught wide going into the turn. Flashy American down toward the inside. She's trying to get off that path, but right next to her, it's Stanwood keeping her in. And at the back of the pack early on here is Ambusher. So up front, and Swingers Party goes on with it. Antipathy defers and is now sitting back in second with Unlimited Budget third behind a 23-3 opening quarter mile. Hot Stones being nudged along, while fourth, about 4 lengths from the lead. Flash American settles down in mid-pack, followed closely by Stanwick, and Ambusher still trails the field. It's about 9 lengths from front to back, and up front it is Swingers Party. Swingers Party, Antipathy just cruising, while second down the backstretch run. The pace is a solid one. 47-3 was the half-mile mark. And there goes Unlimited Budget, called on for run just outside the half-mile pole. And she'll make a 3-wide move into the far turn. Antipathy takes over from Swingers Party. Unlimited Budget, Hot Stones. Hot Stones is advancing now. Fourth on the outside. Stanwick is following her. Flashy American and Ambusher moving toward the top of the stretch. Antipathy the leader. Unlimited Budget is full out, but now a length and a half behind. Stanwick is coming with a strong 4-wide rally as they turn for home. And then Hot Stones, Ambusher, and Flashy American down inside. 3/16 out. It is Antipathy, Hot Stones, and Stanwick. 1, 2, 3. 1 furlong to go. Antipathy's still there. Antipathy full out driving on that lead. Stanwick and Hot Stones both chasing her home. But it's to be Antipathy to win the Shuvee. Stanwick second, Hot Stones third, Ambusher fourth.